kid, I was exposed to Dungeons and Dragons and tabletop role playing, and immediately said this has to be in medical education. I had already always thought of medications and physiology as sort of a fantasy world, as a really way to feel immersed and make it memorable. And so when I realized that you could do that with just the theater of the mind and shared imagining and storytelling, I said, sign me up. So I got really into it, and this is the first time after that 5 years that I've done it for a educational audience. You feel your feet start to burn with a tingling burning as you experience a neuropathy wave from diabetes. Everyone give me also a DC 14 Constitution saving throw. So today, they're all themed around risk factors for cardiovascular disease or heart attack. And so this first one, our heroes and audience fought diabetes in the Liverland Forest. The subsequent sessions, not to say it too loud and spoil it, but they will be fighting Siggy Butts, a smoking monster in the next one in the lungs, and then they'll fight high cholesterol and heart attack in the last one.
Again. What's even worse? It's 7.
The dice tell the story. I try to have a general idea, but the dice and the improvised players tell the story. So there are a lot of nuances of how things come out that are not predetermined.
Oh.
All right. You know, it's heterogeneous, right? Some may be familiar with it, some may not. Thinking how to keep them engaged. And so the jury's still out. We'll find out if they liked it. We tried to incorporate some interactive elements too. So they have worksheets where they're looking for clues as they listen. We have a giant inflatable die that they can that audience members do rolls for. We did get some good cheers where there were successes and fails with that. So just trying to get them into this world. And I think for learners, traditional medical education also teaches you one organ at a time in a more modular way, and I think these kind of fantasy worlds help you see the forest for the trees, no pun intended, and really integrate everything differently.
There you go.
I have a lot of friends who are interested in D&D, and I have played before, so it was very fun. They have a dungeon master, everyone has a turn, it's very relaxed. I think it came across very clearly and understandable, while at the same time being very enjoyable.